Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about the fact how Addison hair glows in zombies. So we're going to see what species she already is. I already have a fanfic about it. Well, it's not a fanfic, I just have a fan theory, if that's what you would want to call it. Yeah. In the end of Zombies 2, Addison and Hair, so Meg Donnelly is the one that plays Addison. And if you're not familiar with the story, zombies are shut underground, and the Zombies 2, werewolves come. And the werewolves are trying to look for a moonstone. And at the end of the movie, Addison hair glows, and also it glows like crazy, and there was like a meteor that came down. It was really weird, but you know, fanfics of her being a moonstone. Okay, so here are some of my fanfics about the zombies thing. So, I'm gonna get into it later, but there are like thousands of fanfics of fics right when it happened. Like right when the movie got released, there were like thousands of fanfics about why her hair grew and like what that meteor was in the sky. So we already have a lot going around in 2020, but I think this is my favorite. We just got a good Zombies 2 for ya. So like I was saying, I forgot what I was saying, sorry, but okay. So there are some theories, like when I first saw the movie, I thought she was gonna be a vampire, but when I first saw the movie, I was like, at my friend's house, and, playing Minecraft, so I was barely even paying attention. So while that was happening, when it was at the end, actually, I don't know where I saw this, but at the end, like I said, her hair glue. And there was like an asteroid that happened before that. And it was really cool effect. And so, yeah, at first, before I saw that, I thought the next movie was gonna be vampires. And there was actually a little sneak peek to that said, yeah, well, you're not a vampire. And, yeah, so that was my first belief. And because that didn't work, I went off to the obvious choice, aliens. Because this video is getting a bit long, let me simplify it for you. You know all the zombies in the movie? Yeah, all of their names have a Z. And all the werewolves all have W's. And Addison. She's not one of those. Because in the first movie, there was a lot of fanfics. That she was a zombie. And then in the second movie, there was a lot of fanfics about her being a werewolf. And because I don't want this sitcom to end, I really, really want a fourth movie. So it would be really nice if they did not go into the third movie so quickly, because if they just announce what Addison is, then there would be no point to watch the movie. So, like I was saying, all zombies have Z in their name. All werewolves have W's in their names. Willow, Wyatt, I forgot the other girl's name, but we have Zed, we have, I forgot the other girl, Eliza, and Bonzo. Those are all the zombie main characters. Now, with those in, oh my god, what am I even talking about? This is just turning out nonsense. So, basically what I'm trying to say is, Addison is an alien because all of the zombies have Z in their names, all the werewolves have W's in their names, and I'm stupid. And Addison doesn't have a group because she has an A. And what has an A that gives us a hint at the end of the movie? Oh, that's right. A. So I was thinking, maybe the next logo, because the second movie had werewolf claws in it, they could have like, instead of the O, like the circle and the O, they can have an alien ship with a line coming down from it, you know, like it's abducting someone. Yeah. So I hope this video was nice. And yeah, I just have a big announcement that I'm not going to be on this account for any longer. I'm probably going to switch to another account, but I will be posting on here, and I will be posting new videos, like, I think I'm just going to post the same videos on my other account, just more art videos than Roblox. And with that saying, yeah, I'm going to start a new YouTube channel. Sorry. But, so yeah, I hope you really liked this video, and I hope that you will find my new YouTube channel in the future. I will be posting on this one, though, with my new YouTube channel, because I still really love this YouTube channel, and it's going to have such useful videos, and I don't want to trash them, so I'm going to have to keep on posting on here. So don't even worry about going into my other account, even though it's gonna have like too many subscribers for the thing to handle. Actually, I don't think it is. So yeah, you can always just stick around to this channel. Yep, this video is way too long. Just my mutters. So my murmurs. So yeah, I'm just gonna finish this tower really quick. And, let this go. So, yep, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and give me a thumbs up. And thank you, Wolfies. Okay, bye!